Last night, I did something I haven't done in years. I sat in my formal dining room, no holidays, no guests, just me and a cup of tea. And it hit me. In the last year, I've probably spent a total of 4 hours in this room. 4 hours. Yet, I'm paying to heat it, cool it, tax it, and insure it 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. If you're like me, you spent 30 years chasing the American dream. The big house, the zip code, the 4 bedrooms for the kids. We won, we got the house. But standing there last night, I realized the house now owns me. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to have a heart-to-heart with you about why I finally put that for sale sign on the front lawn. It wasn't an easy decision. It involved a lot of sleepless nights and a few arguments with my own nostalgia. But if you're feeling house poor or just plain exhausted by the walls around you, this video is for you. Let's talk about why letting go of the big house might be the best thing you ever do for your retirement. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the money. We were told that a house is an investment, and it is. But on a fixed income, a big house starts to look more like a leak in your bucket. Have you looked at your property taxes lately? In my county, they've nearly doubled in the last decade. I'm paying thousands of dollars a year for the privilege of living in a school district my kids graduated from 20 years ago. Then there's the homeowner's insurance trap. Rates are skyrocketing across the country. And don't even get me started on the maintenance. When the HVAC goes out in a 3,000 square foot house, it's not a repair. It's a financial catastrophe. I realized I was keeping a massive portion of my net worth locked in bricks and mortar when I could be using that money to actually live. I don't want my inheritance to be a roof that needs replacing. I want it to be memories I made with my grandkids because I had the cash to fly out and see them. Beyond the checkbook, there's the physical reality. My knees aren't what they were in 1995. Every time I have to carry a laundry basket up those stairs, I ask myself, why am I doing this? Cleaning 4 bedrooms when only 1 is used is just madness. I'm spending my Saturday mornings vacuuming rooms that haven't seen a guest in 6 months. And then there's the stuff. We are a generation of collectors. My basement is a museum of things my children told me they don't want. Old trophies, textbooks, furniture from my parents' house. Keeping a big house often just means keeping a big storage unit for things that no longer serve us. Downsizing forces you to curate your life. It forces you to ask, does this object bring me joy? Or is it just taking up space I have to pay for? Redefining the dream. I had to realize that my home wasn't the square footage. My home was the laughter that happened inside it. But the laughter has moved. It's in my daughter's house, 3 states away. It's in the travel vlogs I watch late at night. By clinging to this house, I was trying to freeze time. But time doesn't freeze. If I stay here because of memories, I'm essentially living in a graveyard of my 40s. I'd rather live in the reality of my 60s and 70s, and that reality involves less mowing and more going. Imagine a life where your biggest home chore is watering a few pots on a balcony. Imagine locking your front door and going on a cruise for 3 weeks without worrying about a pipe bursting or the lawn turning into a jungle. That's the new American dream. It's called rightsizing. It's about making your environment fit your current life, not the life you had 20 years ago. Selling this house is the scariest thing I've done since I bought it. It feels like closing a chapter, but you can't start a new chapter if you keep rereading the last one. I'm trading my big house for a big life. I'm trading equity for experiences, Selling this house is the scariest thing I've done since I bought it. It feels like closing a chapter, but you can't start a new chapter if you keep rereading the last one. I'm trading my big house for a big life. I'm trading equity for experiences,